Review of our book choices and example pacing guide, time to make your own plan. Dear readers, welcome back. If you'd like to hear directions, please watch the video. For those who like the sentence stems first, here's an example reading plan. Title and author 222 to page, 223 to page, put it in here in the blank, 224 to page, 225 to page, 226 to page, etc. Add an extra day for catch up on 227. How are you? Take 3 breaths. In with the good, out with the bad. Where are you on the compass? And ignite. Have you seen powerful people make a plan and then achieve their goals? Chunk. How is your reading going so far? If you do not have a book, read Inside Out and Back Again. It's an amazing book that people love and often borrow from English classrooms and never return because they love it. This is not a dystopian, but Ha's experience is a lot like a dystopian experience, so the lessons will apply. Click on book cover for the text. Try reading to self first, but if it is helpful, an actor has read the text aloud. Chew on it. Read for 20 plus pages a day. When you finish the book, reread it, especially if you finish right away. Make a reading plan. Look at the sections or chapters in the table of contents. There are 7 chunks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I would try to get through 2 chunks a week. So 7 and 7 is 14. The chunks are about 23 minutes each. And they're 5 days in a week. 3 weeks is 15. So February 22nd, 1/4 of part 1. 23rd, 1/4 of part 1. Part 1 until end, and then go to part 1 finished, and part 1 finished. March 1st, part 2, part 2, part 3, part 3, part 3 continued, part 3 continued, part 3 finished, part 3 finished, and part 4, part 4. So that's how it would shake out. Make your own reading plan. Look at your book, the table of contents for ebooks, or the page numbers for paper books, and divide up so you can finish in about 3 weeks, 15 sessions. Here's the sentence starter. Title and author, 222 to page. Thank you.